Welcome to our channel, Business Whale Club. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. In this video, we'll explore the groundbreaking technology behind NFTs, their impact on various industries, how they work, and what the future holds for digital ownership. So, let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are NFTs? NFTs are unique digital tokens that represent ownership of a specific asset, be it digital art, music, videos, virtual real estate, or even in-game items. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, NFTs cannot be exchanged on a one-to-one basis because each NFT has its own distinct value and cannot be replicated. NFTs are built on blockchain technology, which provides the necessary infrastructure for secure and transparent transactions. These tokens contain metadata, which includes details about the asset they represent, the creator, and information about previous ownership. To truly grasp the power of NFTs, we need to understand how blockchain technology works. Blockchain is a decentralized and immutable ledger that records every transaction made with NFTs. This decentralized nature ensures that no single entity controls the network, making it resistant to tampering and fraud. The blockchain's transparency also means that anyone can verify the ownership and authenticity of an NFT, instilling trust in the market. Each transaction is timestamped and linked to the previous one, creating an unbroken chain of ownership history. One of the most revolutionary aspects of NFTs is their impact on the art world. NFTs have provided artists with a new way to monetize their digital creations and connect directly with their audience. NFTs have been a game-changer for me and many other artists. It allows us to sell our art as limited editions, ensuring scarcity and exclusivity. Moreover, the smart contract functionality enables us to receive royalties every time our art is resold in the secondary market. Beyond the art world, NFTs have found their way into the gaming industry, where they unlock new possibilities for players and developers alike. NFTs have added a layer of ownership and rarity to in-game items, making them truly unique and valuable. Players can buy, sell, and trade these virtual assets, creating a thriving virtual economy. NFTs have also paved the way for virtual real estate ownership within metaverse platforms. Players can now own and develop virtual properties, opening up a whole new realm of immersive experiences. While NFTs have brought about exciting opportunities, they also face certain challenges and controversies that need to be addressed. Some of the concerns include environmental impact due to the energy-intensive process of minting NFTs, issues related to copyright and intellectual property, and the potential for market speculation and bubbles. Despite the challenges, the future of NFTs looks promising. As the technology matures, we can expect more sustainable blockchain solutions, improved standards for copyright protection, and increased adoption across industries. And speaking of the future, brace yourself for our next video, where we'll dive into the metaverse, the digital universe of interconnected virtual worlds, and how NFTs are at the forefront of shaping this fascinating concept. Ready to explore the metaverse? Click on the next video to join us on a thrilling adventure into the next frontier of digital experiences. And that concludes our in-depth exploration of NFTs and their impact on digital ownership. From art and gaming to virtual real estate, NFTs are reshaping how we perceive value and ownership in the digital age. If you found this video informative and exciting, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.